Hello everyone, I performed in the cultural event of Research Scholars Day of our Computer Science department at IIT Kharagpur and posting here a small clip of that performance. Let me know in the comment section, did you like it or not? Thank you.